The first thing people say to me is, you think you better because you gave your life to Christ? No, you think I'm better. You think I'm better. Now, I done told y'all, I was a whole prostitute. How could I ever think I'm better than anybody? I'm never here to judge or condemn you, baby. I'm just here to tell you the truth. You know why? Because I really love you. Your real friends pray for you. Your real friends tell you you're going to hell when you're headed there. Your real friends that really love you, they're going to tell you to repent and turn from your wicked ways. That's who really love you. I don't care about your feelings. I don't care about your emotions, baby. I don't care about none of that. I care about your soul. I really love you. I really jack you. Yeah, I really roll with you the heavy way. I really rock with you. I really rock out with you. That's your real friend. You don't even have those in your life. So you might want to hold on to me a little bit tighter than you was. You understand what I'm saying? And respectfully, I'm going to start eliminating a lot of y'all anyways. You know what I'm saying? I know you think I'm an actress. I know you think my testimony is fake.